second one I want to talk about is Julius AI. This is AI data analyst that works for you. So I'll click on enter Julius. So this will help you to analyze any data that you have. So I have data on database on gender-based violence that is in Excel. So I'm going to upload it there and tell it to analyze for me. So I'll click on this plus sign and I'll upload my file in Excel. So I have two applications here. One is my monthly finances. So I will just start with this. So sending the data up. So it has loaded the data. So showing different cases of gender-based violence in different places. Then I could just come here and ask specific questions, or I will just tell it to analyze this data for me. So I'll just analyze data for me. So analyze this data for me, and it's going to do all that. So it uses Python programming language. So it's going to build the codes for different sections of the analysis. So this Python language builds it, analyze it, then it gives me different reports on what I want. So if there are specific things that I want out of this, I can also ask specific questions. So I'll wait for you to finish all the analysis, then I'll see the report that it's going to bring out. Okay, so the report has started coming out. So let's see what we have here. So here, what the system has done is to tell me different cases, and here it's telling me here that quite a lot of things here. Offenders this, so can standardize it. So let me ask, okay, what is the percentage of male to female offenders? So the system will do the calculation and will work out that and tell me the answer. So you see, it's building it up with Python programming language, and it's going to give me the result now. So it's telling here from the male count is 83, female count is this. So the percentage of male is 3%, female is that. So which state has the highest number of cases and why? So which case has the highest number of cases and why? So here I'm prompting it to give an idea of reason why a particular state may end up having the highest number of cases. So using the computation, it's telling me Lagos has the highest number of cases, and it's telling me the reason why this is so. So I can tell you, can you suggest why Lagos has the number? Okay, can you suggest factors responsible for the highest number of cases in Lagos? So Lagos is a state in Nigeria. It's a commercial city of the country. So the system is going to work this out and will also tell me possible reasons why Lagos has. So it's talking about largest population, high reporting cases, greater police presence, migration of wider internet, more nightlife and commercial activities, and provides hospital better bias. It's a possibility that this could be biased towards Lagos.